Hi friends, hope that all of you are completing your quiz and assignments and busy with doing the quiz and assignments. In this video, you will see how to verify your name and other particulars for e-certificate generation. For that, all of you will receive one mail from Director Z@, Mumbai, which reads, for certificate writing, invitation to edit. Open it. onlinecourse.z@mumbai@gmail.com has invited you to edit the following spreadsheet. Open the spreadsheet. Okay. Now you are seeing in this spreadsheet, your name is arranged as per your roll number. All of you are using this roll number for submitting your quiz and assignments. Please identify your roll number from 1 to 44. Those who are submitting all the 9 assignments will be given the generated e-certificate. How to do it? Very simple. Identify your name, and you are seeing below every name one row is kept there. One row is kept vacant. What you have to do is, this row which is below your name and all particulars is reserved for writing the corrections if there is any correction. For example, my name, there is a spelling mistake. What I have to do? I have to type M-S-R-I-N-A-V-A-S-A-N. Remember, I am typing it in red. Suppose if you have typed it in black. Suppose if you have typed it in black, for example. Okay. Now type it and then convert it into red. So that the meaning is you have done a correction. I repeat, whatever the correction you want to make in your name, do it and then convert the font into red color. If there is no change in the designation, for example, put one hyphen. Okay, there is no change. For example, here I am typing M. Srinivasan because I want to change my name. Here there is no designation, there is no change, therefore I am putting one hyphen. In Z@, Mumbai there is no change, putting hyphen. In Z@, Mumbai there is no change, I am putting hyphen. If there is any change, please do it. For example, in the region I want some changes. KVS Z@, Mumbai I want. For example, I am typing it in red color. Okay. Now here the particulars of your name, designation, KV and region are in English. Now it follows the same thing in Hindi. Your name in Hindi, your designation in Hindi, your name of the KV in Hindi and your region in Hindi. What you have to do here also, you have to do the corrections. Suppose if you find any correction in the name in Hindi, do it. Some of you will be using Unicode. You can type the Unicode if you are having in your computer. Suppose those who are not having that Unicode in your computer, I am giving you another option. Go to Google, type Google Input Tools. Type Google Input Tools. It will open. Google Input Tools, click it. You can do it online. You can do it online. For example, here in English, you select Hindi. For example, I am typing Srinivasan. Okay, my name I am typing. You see so many options are coming. Select the correct one. Copy it. Come back to the writing and then paste it. Anyway, mine is actually correct. I am doing it once again. Therefore, you can do these types of correction in the designation. For example, your name in Hindi, and you can do the correction required in designation and the name of your KV, and the region is no need to do any changes because it is Raipur for everybody. Okay. Another very important thing, after you have done all your corrections, please type checked over in the remarks column. Once again I repeat, if you have done all your corrections, suppose the name in the English, name designation in English, KV, region, name in Hindi, designation in Hindi, KV in Hindi, region in Hindi, you have checked everything. Please don't forget to type checked in the remarks column. Once again I repeat, please scroll down and go to your name. If you have any change in name in English, do it. Your designation, do it. The name of the KV, you do it. In the region, no need to do anything, I hope. Please do it only if there is any correction. Similarly, name in Hindi, then name in designation in Hindi, KV name in Hindi, and region in Hindi. You check everything. Then after that, in the remarks column, please type checked. And one more request, please don't do any other changes in this Google Sheet. No need to do any savings. If you are opening it and you are typing whatever the correction required, automatically it will be saved. Once again I repeat, please do the changes required only in the row below your name. Below your roll number, one row is left kept for doing correction. If there is any correction, do it. Change the font color into red. If there is no change, put a hyphen. Thank you, friends. Please do it in a stipulated time so that we can generate the e-certificate and send it to all the participants who have completed and submitted all the 9 assignments. Happy learning. Bye.